Another Ammo bus caught fire due to a short circuit in Bhubaneswar on Saturday morning. The incident took place at Kalinga Studio Square at around 6:26 am when the bus was standing at the stoppage with 26 passengers on board. Preliminary investigation revealed that the fire broke out due to a short circuit in the main battery cable. Panic gripped the area as smoke and flames erupted from the vehicle. However, alert passengers immediately got down from the bus, preventing any casualties. Fortunately, no injuries were reported in the incident. The Capital Region Urban Transport or CRUT, which operates the Ammo bus service, confirmed the incident. Fire service personnel later reached the spot and brought the blaze under control. Following the incident, CRUT has issued a show cause notice to the bus operator and directed immediate fitness checks of 30 other old buses in the fleet. A detailed investigation has been ordered with expert opinions sought from the motor vehicle inspector and officials of the Bhubaneswar Regional Transport Office.
गाड़ीटा जोटा आमर कलिंग स्टूडियो पाखे गोटे डीजेल गाड़ी रे ये घटनाटी घटी आज जो गाड़ी घटनाटी घटला बैटरी स्पार्क दोषरू से घटनाटी घटी और ड्राइवर माने अति उत्तम बुद्धिमतार परिचय दे से आमर जो कैप्टेन और गाइड अच्छा से माने सबू 26 जन यात्री को सुरक्षित भाव ओल्लैकी आ गोटे बस रे पठेदे तापर निया को आयत्त करा भी चेष्टा कले फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर माध्यम रे किंतु टिके निया बापी जाइथिला तो से फायर डिपार्टमेंट आसिक से अग्नि कंट्रोल कर।